Hey, our friends, we're back and we're super excited to draw. What 3 holidays are coming up?
Christmas, Halloween, and Thanksgiving.
Yeah, not necessarily in that order.
Yeah.
And even though Halloween's a little ways away, we still thought it would be a lot of fun to draw some cool, spooky Halloween stuff.
Yes.
What are we drawing today?
A skeleton.
A skeleton, a cute skeleton.
Yeah.
That looks really cool too. You ready to start?
Yes.
All right, first we're going to start by drawing our skeleton's eyes, and we're going to draw 2 circles in the middle of our paper, and I'm going to leave some space in between them. Yeah. There's one. Good job.
1.
And you need another one.
And
2.
2.
Now, on the top right of each eye, let's draw a smaller circle. This is for the highlight to make his eyes look shiny. And then we're going to color in the big circle, but leave the little ones white. Nice. Now let's draw his nose. We're going to draw an upside down V right in between his eyes.
Kind of curved.
Kind of curved, yeah. And then you can connect the bottom so it looks like a triangle. And then let's color in the nose shape. Okay, now let's draw his face. We're going to draw 2 curved lines. We're going to start on the side of his head, and we're going to draw a curve that goes under and stops right before you get past his eye. So right below it. Then we're going to do that same thing over here. We're going to start in the same spot, but over here on the right, curve under, and then, yeah, there's his cheekbones on both sides. Now let's draw his teeth. Now I'm going to draw a curve that comes down, across, and then back up. Yeah, you started on the other side. That worked out perfect. Now let's draw a line right down the middle. We're going to draw the lines to separate his teeth. Then we're going to draw another line on the left and also on the right. All right, we did it. Now let's draw the top of his head. We're going to draw a big upside down U or a rainbow line to connect both sides. That's a super simple way to draw a cool looking skeleton. Skull.
Skull.
Yeah, just his head is a skull.
Yeah.
Let's draw the rest of his body.
Okay.
So we can call it a skeleton.
Yes.
We're going to draw a smaller U shape underneath his mouth. So we're going to start here. We're going to draw a curve that comes under and then back up. And then let's draw all the bones inside of his body. So first we're going to draw his sternum, or the bone that's in the middle of his ribs.
It'd be his spine if it was on the back.
On the back, yeah. Good call. Then we're going to draw a curve that goes up on one side and then comes back down on the other side. Good. Now let's connect a line that comes across the bottom and connects those two. Looks like we got another triangle inside there.
Yeah.
Now let's draw his ribs. We're going to draw 2 lines. 1, 2 on the left, and then we're going to draw 2 on the right. All right, it's already starting to look like a cool skeleton.
Yeah.
Let's color in this shape. Now let's also add 2 circles or ovals, 1 in each corner of the U, and then we're going to color those shapes in also. So this is his pelvis. Now let's add the leg bones, and we're going to draw 2 lines that come out on the left side, and we're going to repeat these same steps on, we're drawing them on the left side, and we're going to repeat the same steps over here on the right side. Okay, so these are the 2 lines coming out for his first bone, and we're going to draw, watch this, it's like a curved U or W to finish the end of his bone. Now we're going to draw 2 more lines. These are going to be bent down. That way it looks like it's his knee right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, there we go. Now let's draw another curved W to finish the bottom of that leg. Okay, let's repeat those same steps over here on the right. So we're going to draw the 2 lines that come out, curved W for the end. And this part we're going a little faster because we're just repeating the same steps. But if you need extra time to finish this step, what can they do?
Pause the video.
Yeah, you guys can pause the video. You can pause it anytime you want, actually. All right, now we got both leg bones. Let's repeat these same steps up here for the arm bones. We're going to draw 2 lines that come out where his shoulder would be. And then we're going to draw that same curved W for the end. He's looking so cool.
Yeah.
Then we're going to draw 2 more lines, and I'm drawing them bent because this is where his elbow would be. Yeah, and then do the same thing, curve W to finish the end of the bone. All right, repeat the same steps over here. We want to make sure that these first 2 lines are the same length as the first 2 that we drew over here. Curve W, 2 more lines, bend them down, and then another curve W to finish it. All right, he looks pretty awesome, but
yeah.
we could leave him just like this. So let's add his feet though, and also his hands. We're gonna draw a shape that comes out like this, and then curves back around into his leg bone. And let's repeat that same step over here. Come out diagonal, and then curve back around. And we want them to look the same size. All right, now we need the toe bones. We're gonna add, it looks like a circle, a big circle for his big toe. Then we're gonna add 3 more toes, but we're not gonna draw the full circle because we want them to overlap. So look at that. There's 1 curve, 2, 3. And I got smaller as I moved up his foot. So let's do the same thing over here. Big circle shape for his big toe, and then 3 half circles so that his toes look like they're overlapping and they get smaller as they go back. I like it. It looks awesome.
Yeah.
Now let's draw his hands. We're gonna do the same thing, but smaller shape for the middle of his hand. So we're gonna come down. Almost just looks like a U shape. Well, it looks like a U shape. Not almost. Perfect. Then we're gonna draw his thumb. It's gonna be a sideways U shape that comes out. And then we're gonna draw another U, but it's gonna curve. So I'm gonna curve the first line like this. And then we're gonna come back around for the rest of his hand. Awesome. Let's do that same thing over here. We're going to draw a U for the middle of his hand, or his palm, this part of his hand. And we'll draw the thumb that's pointing in towards his body. Then we're going to draw that first line that comes in like we did over here, but towards the middle of his body. And then we'll curve her back around for the rest of his fingers. Now it looks like he has gloves, so let's add 2 lines on this shape so that it divides his fingers. And if you want, you could actually just connect those all the way to the U shape. Then it looks like really long fingers. And then let's do the same thing over here. All right, Jack, we did it. We finished drawing our skeletons, and yours turned out really cool. I love him. He looks awesome. Now, it's okay that our skeletons look different, right?
Yes.
Because the most important thing is?
To have fun.
To have fun and to?
Practice.
Practice. Now, if we wanted to, we could also add some gray colored pencil in there to add some shading. We could even use a black colored pencil, or we could even color him green to make him look like he's...
glow in the dark.
Yeah, glow in the dark. Another fun thing that you guys could do at home is cut your skeleton out and glue them onto a black piece of paper. What else could our art friends do with a skeleton?
Make a lot of them.
Oh yeah, you can make a lot of skeletons. Hopefully you got the steps memorized. You can repeat it and then cut them all out and then glue them to your wall. Well, maybe not glue them.
Yeah.
Just tape them.
But not with duct tape.
Not with duct tape, just regular tape.
Yeah.
Cover your whole house. That'd be a lot of fun to decorate for Halloween. We'll see you later, art friends. Goodbye.
With parents' permission.
Yeah, definitely parents' permission. If you had fun following along in this lesson, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the circle. Then you can click the bell to get notified every time we upload new videos. I've also picked out these 2 other lessons I thought you'd really enjoy. Don't forget to take a photo of your child's finished artwork and share it on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter because we want to see how awesome it turned out.